Yeah, it was a 2:30.
What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I ran about 18 km yesterday and everything was fine, right? After the run and all. But today, wake up and realize my knees, both knees were hurting. And yeah, I have IPPT later on, which I'm probably gonna have to postpone because I could barely walk. But yeah, having a coffee. This is my third cup of the day. And then yeah, I'll be heading out to the gym. Before that, I think I need some content generation at the upper house, so I'll be doing a little photo shoot. So yeah, that's gonna be how my day is gonna be like. And just realize, you know, if I'm gonna be doing 175 and I'm already like suffering at 18 km, it's gonna be a lot of, you know, effort. It's gonna be a lot of training that needs to be done. So yeah, this is just an eye-opener for me. Wow, I think I've run like marathon and half marathon. I've never felt this kind of pain. So yeah, I need to train properly and monitor my, you know, my progress properly and my health, my body, stuff like that. So yeah, it's gonna be a tough one, but like I said, I will finish 175. This means that.
This means that.
Hi. House, free food at upper house. Ah, nice, huh? I'm kind of sick of this view. I have to come here like 3-4 times a week and looking at this. It used to be beautiful though.
I was about to shoot an outro, and then this little kitten came up to me. Hi. Meow. Okay, meow. Very noisy. Oh, meow, meow, meow. Oh, meow, meow. Okay. Go sleep, go. Get out. Get out. Oh, meow, meow, meow. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Meow, meow. Bye-bye. Alright, so this is gonna be a rather short vlog, but yeah, I just wanted to vlog to, you know, put up a reminder to myself that this 175 is not a joke. It is gonna take a lot of my time, a lot of preparation, a lot of effort, a lot of energy. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy. This is just a small bits of it, and yeah, I thought about going for a run just now, but trust me, I don't know. Maybe I need to push through this pain, but yeah, I'm just, you know, afraid right now. So I choose to go to gym. I did chest and shoulder. Yeah, got a good pump on that, and yeah, I just wanna, you know, I don't wanna be so skinny running too much, so I wanna put on a little bit of muscle until the race is over. So yeah, it's gonna be, plus I want to be able to run that kind of distance, so it's gonna be really, really tough for me especially, but yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm excited actually. I'm not like per se afraid or, you know, other sorts of feelings, but I'm excited about this because it's been a long time since I have this kind of, you know, excitement ever since army, I guess. Other than that, I've never really go out myself to challenge myself. So yeah, pretty excited, and I want to thank Jun again for inviting me for this run. It was an incredible meeting, casual meeting, you know, just between two brothers, and yeah, things just happened simultaneously. So yeah, I'm glad it happened, and yeah, I'm pretty sure we will finish the race, and yeah, apart from that, we just have to keep going. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopes I appreciate every single one of you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.